Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab, the place where I break down the best tech so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today we're exploring an exciting lineup inspired by the search for the top 11 best DSLR camera under $1,000, but with a fun twist. Many viewers looking for great cameras also want amazing displays for editing photos, watching movies, and enjoying content in stunning detail. So today I'm reviewing some of the best value 4K TVs available right now. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below for price and details, and subscribe for more top tech reviews. Canon XTI Classic DSLR Kit. The Canon XTI Classic DSLR Kit is a fantastic entry point for anyone wanting to learn photography without spending a fortune. Even though it is an older model, it still delivers reliable image quality and the true DSLR shooting experience many beginners want. The camera features a comfortable grip, simple controls, and interchangeable lenses that help you grow your skills over time. I like how lightweight it feels during long shooting sessions. The included kit lens makes it easy to start capturing portraits, landscapes, and everyday moments immediately. If you want an affordable learning camera that still gives manual control, creative flexibility, and dependable performance, this classic Canon DSLR remains a surprisingly solid option for beginners exploring photography for the first time, without feeling overwhelmed or confused by complicated settings or menus today. Either way. Canon T7 DSLR Value Kit. The Canon T7 DSLR Value Kit is one of the most popular beginner cameras, and for good reason. It offers a great balance between performance, simplicity, and price, which makes it perfect for new photographers. I really like the 24.1 megapixel sensor that produces sharp, detailed photos with natural colors. Built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring photos to your phone or computer quick and simple. The camera also includes helpful automatic shooting modes so beginners can start shooting right away while still learning manual settings later. The kit usually comes with useful accessories and a standard lens so you can begin photographing immediately. Whether you want to capture family memories, travel moments, or creative portraits, this DSLR provides dependable results. For anyone searching for a budget-friendly yet capable camera, this value kit delivers a smooth and enjoyable photography experience. The Canon 4000D DSLR Bundle. The Canon 4000D DSLR bundle is designed specifically for beginners who want an affordable introduction to DSLR photography. I like how simple and user-friendly this camera feels when you first pick it up. The menu system is easy to navigate, and the automatic shooting modes help you capture good photos even if you are completely new to cameras. Its 18 megapixel sensor produces clear images that look great for social media, prints, and everyday memories. Many bundles also include helpful accessories like memory cards, bags, and tripods, which add extra value. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you quickly share photos with your phone, which is really convenient. The lightweight design also makes it comfortable for travel and daily use. Overall, it is a practical starter camera that helps beginners learn photography while keeping things affordable, simple, and fun. The Canon T7 DSLR Mega Bundle. The Canon T7 DSLR Mega Bundle is a great choice if you want a complete photography starter package. Instead of buying accessories separately, this bundle usually includes lenses, filters, memory cards, and other helpful tools. The camera itself features a 24.1 megapixel sensor that captures sharp, vibrant photos in many lighting situations. I appreciate how beginner-friendly the controls are while still offering manual settings for creative control. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make sharing photos quick and easy, which is perfect for content creators and casual photographers. The bundle setup also helps you experiment with different shooting styles right away. From portraits to landscapes, this camera handles everyday photography with ease. If you want excellent value and a full photography kit in one purchase, this mega bundle is definitely worth considering. Canon T7 Dual Zoom Kit. The Canon T7 Dual Zoom Kit stands out because it includes two lenses which greatly expand your photography possibilities. One lens works perfectly for everyday photos, while the second zoom lens helps you capture distant subjects like wildlife, sports, or events. I really like how flexible the setup feels, especially for beginners experimenting with different photography styles. The 24.1 megapixel sensor produces sharp images with pleasing color and detail. The camera also includes helpful scene modes that make shooting easier when you're still learning. Built-in Wi-Fi allows fast image transfers, so sharing photos online becomes effortless. The comfortable grip and simple control layout also make long shooting sessions enjoyable. If you want a versatile beginner DSLR that lets you explore both close and distant photography, this dual lens kit offers fantastic value. Nikon D7500 DSLR Kit. The Nikon D7500 DSLR Kit is a powerful mid-range camera that brings professional-level performance into an affordable price range. I really like its fast shooting speed and impressive low light performance, which makes it great for action photography and events. The 20.9 megapixel sensor captures detailed images with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. It also supports 4K video, which is perfect if you want to create high-quality content. The tilting touchscreen makes shooting from creative angles much easier and more comfortable. Nikon's autofocus system is also extremely reliable when tracking moving subjects. Built-in connectivity features allow quick sharing and remote camera control through your phone. If you want a camera that feels fast, responsive, and highly capable, the D7500 is easily one of the strongest DSLR choices under this budget. Panasonic FZ80D Bundle Camera. The Panasonic FZ80D Bundle Camera is a great option for people who want powerful zoom without changing lenses. Unlike traditional DSLRs, this camera includes a built-in lens with an incredible zoom range that lets you capture faraway subjects easily. I love how convenient this is for wildlife, travel, and outdoor photography. The camera also records stunning 4K video and offers 4K photo modes that help capture fast-moving moments. The bundle usually adds useful accessories, making it an even better value. Its electronic viewfinder and intuitive controls make shooting comfortable even for beginners. The lightweight design is also great for carrying during trips or long adventures. If you want versatility, powerful zoom, and modern features in one camera, this Panasonic bundle offers an exciting all-in-one photography solution. Panasonic Lumix G7 4K Kit. The Panasonic Lumix G7 4K kit is an excellent hybrid camera for both photography and video creation. I especially like how strong its video features are, including crisp 4K recording that looks incredibly detailed. The 16 megapixel sensor still captures beautiful photos with great color and clarity. One feature I really enjoy is the fully articulating touchscreen, which makes filming vlogs or creative angles very easy. The camera is also lightweight, which makes it perfect for travel creators and everyday shooting. Fast autofocus helps keep subjects sharp while shooting photos or video, and the included lens offers solid versatility for different types of scenes. If you are someone who wants a camera capable of strong photo performance and impressive video quality, the Lumix G7 remains a fantastic and flexible option. Nikon D5100 Classic DSLR. The Nikon D5100 Classic DSLR is a dependable camera that still holds up well for beginners and hobby photographers. I like how the camera balances ease of use with creative flexibility. Its 16.2 megapixel sensor captures detailed images with nice color reproduction and strong dynamic range. One standout feature is the articulating LCD screen, which helps when shooting from creative angles or recording simple videos. Nikon's image processing also produces very natural-looking photos straight out of the camera. The controls feel comfortable and intuitive, which makes it easier for new photographers to learn manual settings over time. It works well for portraits, travel photography, and everyday shooting situations. If you want a reliable DSLR that focuses on simplicity, solid performance, and learning photography fundamentals, this classic Nikon camera remains a great choice. Canon T7 Wi-Fi DSLR Kit. The Canon T7 Wi-Fi DSLR kit is another excellent beginner-friendly option that combines strong image quality with convenient wireless features. The 24.1 megapixel sensor captures crisp photos with impressive detail, which is great for portraits, landscapes, and daily photography. I really appreciate the built-in Wi-Fi that lets you transfer photos instantly to your smartphone for quick sharing. The camera also offers simple guided menus that help beginners understand different settings while learning photography. The included kit lens provides flexibility for many everyday shooting situations. The battery life is also quite reliable, which is helpful during long outings or trips. Overall, the camera feels responsive, comfortable, and easy to use. For photographers who want a reliable DSLR with modern connectivity, this Wi-Fi kit is a smart and practical pick. Canon T100 DSLR Bundle. The Canon T100 DSLR bundle is one of the most affordable ways to step into the world of DSLR photography. Despite its budget price, it still delivers solid image quality and dependable performance for everyday use. I like how lightweight and compact the camera feels, which makes it easy to carry during travel or daily outings. The simple control layout is perfect for beginners who are learning how DSLR cameras work. The bundle often includes helpful accessories such as memory cards, tripods, or camera bags, which adds extra value. The camera also features Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can quickly share photos with your phone. Whether you want to capture family memories, vacations, or creative photos, this DSLR provides a great starting point. It is simple, practical, and perfect for learning photography basics. That wraps up our list of the top 11 best DSLR camera under $1,000 that offer fantastic performance without breaking your budget. Whether you are a beginner learning photography or a creator looking for a reliable upgrade, there is a great option here for you. From powerful Nikon models to beginner-friendly Canon kits and versatile Panasonic cameras, these picks cover many different photography styles. If you want to check current prices and full details, make sure to look at the links in the description below. And of course, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Camera Lab and turn on notifications for more top gear guides.